Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this anchor bracket. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part. To model this part I am using the FreeCAD 1.0. If you have not this latest version of FreeCAD, install it. So let's begin our tutorial. I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and I will insert the body, and I will on my plane, and we will read our drawing. So if you see our drawing, so if we start our sketching from the right plane and extrude this profile to the 40 mm, that will be good. So we will select this right plane and click on the sketch, go and hide datum plane, and now I will select a rectangle tool. I will create a rectangle, select a line tool, and here I will use the trim option to trim this, and I will also delete this. And now I will select again polyline tool and create a rough profile. And now we will apply the suitable constraint. So first thing is I will select this and this and add a parallel constraint. Select this and provide the horizontal dimension of 90 mm. This is of the 45. This is of the 14, and from this point to this point is of 12 mm. So perpendicularity is added. Now select the dimension and add a align dimension of 53, and this angle is of 60 degree, and this is of 12 mm. So the beauty of a FreeCAD 1.0 is that dimensioning is too much convenient, because in a previous version of a FreeCAD 0.21 we have to select the respective dimension, horizontal or vertical, then give the dimension. But here it is a smart, so once you select the dimension tool, it automatically detects the type of dimension. Now we will move towards the next feature, which is to extrude the profile to the 40 mm. So we will come out of the sketch and click on the pad, click on symmetric to the plane, and add the dimension of 40 mm and click on OK. Now we will move to the next feature, which is the material removal. We will remove the material at this portion. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, and we will click on the project geometry we will project this. We will also project this, and we will create a circle, and this circle will be the construction circle, and which is of a diameter 26. So select the dimension and provide the 26, and now we will select this and this and add a tangent. And now here we will create the profile. So first thing, we will select a line tool and create a line. First thing is trim is not possible, so we will make it a coincidence. And now we will select a 3-point arc. First thing, we will make this and this horizontal, and now we will close our profile, join this with this, and select a 3-point arc. Now here we will find out the issue, so we will select this and made it equal. So our profile is fully constrained, and now we will remove this profile material up to this face. So click on the cut and select up to face and select this face, click on OK. Now we will mirror this, and we have the mid plane, so we will select this YZ plane. So select a pocket and click on the mirror, and here select transform shape. So we will select a reference and select this mid plane, click on OK, and now we will off our datum plane. Now we will move towards the next feature, and our next feature is to provide the fillet, which is of R6 here. So we will select this and click on the fillet and provide the value of R6. Now we will create here the slotted cut. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, and we will rotate our model, click on the project geometry, and we will select a rectangle tool, and we will delete this line and create a 3-point arc, and then we will add a tangency. Select this and this tangent, this and this tangent, and we will make this symmetric and give the dimension of 10 mm. So select this and this axis, and provide the dimension of 10 mm. So keyboard shortcut is a D for the dimension, and now we will provide this vertical dimension of 35 mm. So our sketch is fully constrained. We will come out of the sketch, click on the cut, select up to face, and select this inside face, click on OK. Now we will move towards the next feature, which is to add a material for this boss. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, and click on the project geometry, and here is a keyboard shortcut GX, but I will use the icon. And now I will select a circle and create this profile, come out of the sketch, and we will extrude it to the distance of 3 mm, which we can see here. 15 minus 12 is 3. So click on extrude and provide the 3 mm, Beauty of FreeCAD 1.0 is that it automatically merges the feature. It's automatically set it to the refine is true. So here in FreeCAD 0.21 we have to do it manually. Now let's move towards to the next feature with respect to our drawing, which is to create a hole of 13.5, which is given here. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, and we will simply project the diameter so that we get the center, and we will create a circle, and we will select the diameter, and this is of a diameter 13.5. click on close, click on cut, say it through all, click on OK. Now we will move toward the next feature, which is to add a material in this slotted area. So we will select the face and we will project this geometry. So we will select the face and click on the sketch. We will rotate it. We will select the project geometry, and we will project this arc and a vertical line, and we will create exact profile as we projected. So here is a 3-point arc, so we will create a 3-point arc and select this and made it equal. Select the line, close the profile, and we will create an offset, and first we will give the radius of R10, so give it to 10 mm, and now we will connect this with this and apply the vertical dimension. Select this, select this, select this, and provide it a vertical. This is the horizontal with respect to our cube. This will be also the horizontal. And now let's add the tangency here. And let's see what is the unconstrained. So select this point and this line and add a coincidence. So our profile is fully constrained. Now we will extrude it to the distance of 3 mm. So we have already selected the sketch. Click on extrude and set it 3 mm. Click on OK. Now we will move to the next feature, which is to the mirror this pad which we have did. So for this we want to mirror on the other side, as we can see here, but we require a plane. So if we select this edge, so we can see the dimension is a 14 mm. So we will select the face and create a datum plane at a distance of 7 mm and set it to the minus. Click on OK. Now here is a blue tick, so we will rebuild it, and now we will select the pad and click on the mirror option, and from here we will select the reference and we will select this datum plane and click on the OK. Now we will off the datum plane. Now we will move to the next feature, which is to create a hole, these two holes which we can see here. So we will select the face, and it is a plain drill hole, so I will make with a cut tool. So I have selected the face and I will create a sketch, and I will create 2 circles, and we will give the dimensions. So first we will select this 2 by pressing the control key, and we will make it equal, and we will select the smart dimension and provide the dimension of 11.5, click on OK, and center to center distance is of 25, and from edge it is a 40. So we will click on the project geometry and project this, and select the dimensions tool, select this and provide the dimension of 40 mm. Let's press 0 for isometric. So our sketch is fully constrained, as you can see that 40 and 25. Click on close, select the sketch, click on cut, and simply say it through all. So this is how we have modeled this anchor bracket from the scratch, and this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.